Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today we want to explain about case study 1 of cloud computing. My name is Nur Shafizatul Aida binti Md Zuffi and my team is Siti Aminah binti Kifli. So introduction of case study 1 is cloud computing is term referred to storing and accessing data over the internet. It doesn't store any data on the hard disk of your personal computer. You can access data from a remote server. So what is cloud computing? Cloud computing is the on-demand availability of computer system resource, especially data storage and computer power without direct active management by user. The term is generally used to describe data center available to many users. Large cloud functions to distribute over multiple locations from central server. Cloud may eliminate be a single organization or also available to multiply organizations like public cloud. This is some advantage of cloud computing. First one is cost saving. It helps users to save substantial capital cost as it does need any physical hardware investment. No need to train personnel to maintain the hardware. The second is strategy edge. Help user to access the latest applications anytime without spending their time and money on installation. The third one is high speed. Allows user to get resource required for their system within fewer minutes. Fourth is backup and restore data. Once the data is stored in the cloud, it is easier to get backup and recovery of that. The last one is unlimited storage capacity. The cloud offers almost limitless storage capacity at any time. User can access quickly expand their storage capacity with very nominal monthly fees. So this is virtualization. Virtualization is creation of virtual version of something such as a server, desktop, storage device, and operating system and network resource. Virtualization also is a technique which allows to share a single physical instance of resource and any applications among multiple customer and organization. Okay, this is some benefits of virtualization. The first one is PD recovery time. More seasonal frameworks as oh. Aku letih. Dah mute dah. Mute dah. Tak apa-apa. Start balik. Okay, so this is some benefit of virtualization. The first one is speedy recovery time. More seasonal frameworks are unequipped for recuperating inside a couple of hours, and by and large, organizations experience any longer downtime, which brings about income misfortune. The second one is easier IT management. Considering that routine tasks like launching new applications and adding new server workloads represent at any rate half of representative time. Okay, the third one is better scalability. The virtualized conditions are intended to be versatile, which considers greater adaptability regarding organization development. Rather than buying extra infrastructure components, new upgrades and applications can be executed with virtualization without much of a stretch. The third one is move to be green friendly. That is diminishes the data center's carbon impressions and lessens costs for the business. That money can be reinvested somewhere else. The last one is more agile business process. The business world changes quickly and organizations should have the option to react in like manner, rather than customary organization plans which require making arrangement for hardware installation and purchase virtual foundation permit organization to scale quickly, including new virtual server requests.
This is AWS Global Infrastructure and Platform. Amazon Web Service is one of the global public cloud providers having a worldwide network of infrastructure that spans across 18 geographic regions with 53 availability zones and one local region around the world, with further announced plan of more availability zone and 4 more regions: Hong Kong, SAR, Sweden, and a second AWS Gulf Cloud region in the US. This is root user and AIM credential. Root user is created by the AWS account is created, allow full access to all resources in the account. Only the root user can close your account. IAM created by the root user or an AIM administrator for the account can securely control access to AWS service and resource for user and your AWS. Can delete or modify the policies that are associated with that IAM user, can create unique credentials for each user and define who has access to resources. How to create root user and IAM credentials. Root user, log into your server as the root user. This is example SSH root at server underscore IP underscore address. Second, use the add user command to add a new user to your system. Be sure to replace username with the user that you want to create. Use the user mode command to add the user to the sudo group. Press sudo for AIM credentials. In the navigation pane, user, choose the name of the intended user and then choose the security credentials tab. For the last one, choose create access key and then choose download. This is discussion. Cloud computing and other same configuration is application service provider ASP. Utility computing. Tool of cloud computing is client, cloud network, cloud application programming interface. This is type of cloud computing: the public cloud, the private cloud, the community cloud, and the hybrid cloud. So the conclusion is cloud computing is a relatively modern technology revolution that has the potential to have a significant global influence. The advantages it offers companies is that it lower operational costs by investing less on repair and technological update and focusing more on the company itself. There are other barriers that cloud computing could tackle. People are concerned about the security and privacy of their personal information. Users are also concerned with who has access to and custody of their files. Thank you.